Hey, this is Jeannie. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, I'm a little emotional today trying to get this video out. This is my third attempt. Too many tears behind the eyes. So here we go. If you're just seeing me for the first time, bear with me. And if this is your first impression, I apologize in advance. And if you've followed my channel for years, thank you. Please continue watching. This is an important notice about kind of where I am right now and what's going on in the beginning of this year. And I hope this is just a temporary thing, but I wanted to get on and communicate. If you know me, I love making YouTube videos. I love the whole editing, the interviewing, the connecting, the sharing, the teaching, bringing a story to life. I mean, this truly has been my passion, and I've been lucky enough for the last 10 years not to have to work and try to do this like many YouTubers are. I get to do this literally 40, 50 hours a week, and I love it. A couple years ago, I got diagnosed with Graves' disease, and I remembered hearing it was going to take a good year to get back on track. And I didn't even know what that meant, but I remembered hearing it would take a year and just bursting into tears. Well, I'm going on, I'm pretty sure 3 years. And today I am no better. I feel no better than I was 3 years ago when I got my diagnosis. The doctors swear it's just this easy thing to resolve, but if you don't know what Graves' disease is, it is to do with the thyroid, and the thyroid is everything to do with regulating your body for everything: heat, temperature, food, energy, hormones, everything. So basically, I am self-regulating right now. I'm on the medication to cure my Graves or help my Graves. However, my blood work looks great, says the doctors, but I continue to feel horrible. And my symptoms are, the biggest one is just absolutely no energy, to the point where even lifting my arms is exhausting. Trying to hold a thought, you need the brain food in order to think, right, and be creative. And I'm really struggling right now to get my content out to the level that I want it out. So I'm getting on today to communicate and just ask for a little bit of grace and patience as I try to post my way through this like I have been. But also permission just to take a little step back and get back to the joy of doing this, and not the timelines and the deadlines and the postings and the pressure that can come with behind the scenes of YouTube, right? Looking for a little bit of grace and patience as I navigate through this. I want to make some pretty interesting decisions regarding my health coming up in my new appointments. So I just need the space to be able to do that. And that affects my channel. It affects the way I do my work in a great way. So sorry, getting so emotional. For those of you who do YouTube, you know how much time and energy it takes behind the scenes to put everything up. So it's also just grieving that the loss of energy that I feel I don't have right now, and looking for some compassion to be patient with me as I get back on track. And who knows? Who knows what that even means right now? I've just got to take care of my health. So I'm not burned out on YouTube. I'm sick trying to do YouTube, and I don't think those two things go very well together. So asking for a little forgiveness there as you understand and work with me to get through this. So thank you for listening. Bear with me. I'm not going anywhere. It's just not going to be at the pace. The level will always be there. So I will only put out good content. It just might not be as much and on time. So that is my invitation, my communication for you today. Thank you so much. I love you, and thank you. Bye. No one ever said changing the world one video at a time was going to be easy. Namaste.